Hi, in this mini lecture, we're going to be looking at the business vision and mission. So you can pause here and read the learning objectives of what you should learn after going over this chapter. So we'll start with a vision statement. A vision statement should really answer the basic question of what do we want to become, right? So what do we aspire to be? The vision statement should really be short, preferably about one sentence. And you really should get input from managers in developing this statement. Um, the vision should also reveal the types of business that your firm engages in. So let's take a look at an example. General Motors' vision is to be the world leader in transportation products and related services, right? That's very aspirational, world leader. And it's very broad. Notice when they talk about what business they're in, they don't say in the car business, they say transportation products, related services. And so it's really good to also make sure that you don't too narrowly define yourself because then you could just be, you're not keeping yourself open to opportunities. PepsiCo's vision statement says, PepsiCo's responsibility is to continually improve all aspects of the world in which we operate, environment, social, economic, creating a better tomorrow than today. So those are just two examples. They're short, they are very visionary, and they help, hopefully, to encourage people within the organization to know where the company is going. So a mission statement is a little bit different. I like to think of a mission statement as kind of where we're at now or what is our purpose. So we say we're really looking at what is our reason for being? What is our business? All right. Our mission statement should help us to effectively establish our objectives or our goals and to come up with the strategies that we're going to use. Our mission statement will also reveal what an organization wants to be and who it serves or who its customers are. I mean, you can see that it has a lot of different synonyms, but overall, it's usually called a mission statement. Okay, so why do we care about this? Why do we need these things? Well, we want to make sure that everybody in our organization understands our purpose and reason for being. It also helps us to determine and prioritize our internal and external factors and helps us to formulate strategies that might work for the company. It helps to provide a basis for allocating resources being time, people, money, etc. It helps us to provide a basis of how we organize our work and departments and our activities and our segments for our common purpose. And so there are many benefits of having a clear vision and mission. And you can read this. This is also in your book. A lot of it is really providing directions, making sure that everybody is clear on the purpose, and really providing a basis for our strategic actions. All right. So a mission statement is much more, or is very broad in scope. You don't usually include monetary amounts, numbers, percentages, ratios, etc. Your mission statement should be fewer than 150 words in length. It should be inspiring. It should identify what the firm's products or services are. Identify if your firm partakes in socially responsible initiatives. Reveal if your firm is environmentally responsible. It should also include things like your customers, your products and service, what markets you're in, your technology, concern for survival, growth, profits, your philosophy, public image, self-concept, concern for employees. It should be reconciliatory and enduring as well. All right. So in our mission statement, we want to make sure that we identify who our customers are, what our products and services are, what our markets are, um, if we have any unique technology, are we committed to growth and financial soundness? What are our basic beliefs, values, aspirations, ethical priorities? And then what is our distinctive competence or what is our major competitive advantage? All right. So let's look at some exemplary mission statements. So Avon, our mission is to provide women, our customers, quality fragrances, cosmetics, and jewelry, our products, at a reasonable prices backed by outstanding customer service provided by our thousands of door-to-door sales representatives operating globally markets. We use the latest technology to profitably develop and market products desired by women all over the world. Avon representatives put integrity first in setting a good example in every community they operate as they sell beauty. You can see it's less than 150 words. If we go back, you can see it definitely includes many of the components that you should address in your mission statement. Right? L'Oreal, another exemplary one. Our mission is to design, produce, and distribute the world's best fragrances, perfumes, and personal care products. So again, our products, our services to women, men, and children, our customers, by utilizing the latest technological improvements, addressing our technology. We empower a highly creative team of researchers to develop safe, eco-friendly products that will enable our firm to profitably grow through thousands of retail outlets. We strive to be the most socially responsible firm, one of the most socially responsible firms on the planet, and appreciate our employees making that happen while following the golden rule in all that we do. Again, you can see they really addressed many of the concepts that are outlined in these pieces, all right, in order to come up with a mission statement. Apologize, I have a puppy here who's barking. One of the things you'll also notice is that mission statements are a little bit longer than vision statements. Vision statements are usually just one sentence. So that is just a brief overview of vision and mission statements to help you get started on this chapter.